I got offered oceans of promotions while at work, while you caused commotions when your emotions went berserk. Like on the dock when you punched yourself in the head, because to no one's shock she went for Billings instead. You said you'd knock him out and leave him for dead. While on the clock, you should've watched what you said. That just got you mocked when that story was spread. Everyone said lock him up and put him on meds, make him kick rocks and report him to the feds. They knew you were a crock cause you lied and misled. They heard about the stockroom with that troll behind the bed. But it was me you blocked like I caused all of your dread. I wasn't the reason everyone found out. I doubt you learned that if you have a secret, don't shout. Then that stout little trout tried to find out what I was about, cause throughout your life your girls could never stay devout. You should have arranged some changes in your life. You could have exchanged your derangement for a wife. Remember when I hooked up with Jessie on the PlayStation chat? I thought things would get messy when she said you were too fat. I refined my grinds and signed sponsors till I resigned. You stayed confined and just reclined until your mind declined. I'm inclined to remind you, only past cause of no child left behind. Even my unlisted videos get more views than all of yours combined. You should stay down in the dungeon, hanging clothes with Christy Kearns. You shouldn't step out into the light cause it burns. You were always wandering while spreading rumors and fiction. Your brain's not full of pondering but tumors and addiction. And you should stop squandering your life with that affliction, cause you're never conjuring a wife with that restriction. You can blame your condition but you're just as culpable. Your brain cells are singular but your sclerosis is multiple. All you can do is sit back while the symptoms start to stack. But now your mom won't have to misuse that handicap plaque. What led up to your condition? We could give it a guess. Methamphetamines begins and ends with MS. Got it in the immersion, in your life, your drive. I wasn't raised to get. You should have arranged and changed your different memorandum. You You should stay down in the dungeon, hanging clothes with Christy Kearns. You shouldn't step out into the light cause it burns. You were always wandering while spreading rumors and fiction. Your brain's not full of pondering but tumors and addiction. You should stop squandering